the brides looking for refreshing change from the conventional wedding lehengas, this dainty, lightweight, and opulent lehenga adorned with cut-work rose embroidery in pastel shade of pink is a picture-perfect pick. A matching tone-to-tone blouse and a net dupatta completes the attire. The shimmery sheen and the glittery glamour of the lehenga is absolutely wow-worthy. Pastels for a wedding is the choice of the most exclusives, and adorning in one-of-a-kind pieces is what makes the bride stand out from the crowd. The ethereal, handcrafted pastel grayish-blue lehenga is ornately designed with leather-like finished embroidery details and stonework of countless stones to give the bride the much-needed sheen on her special day. If the bride is conscious of her fashion choices, why not suggest her one that is sustainable? A piece that would not just be fit for her own wedding day but also be repurposed and reworn in various other occasions. This piece, lightweight, subtle yet stunning, and an intricately embroidered in geometrical and floral details, is just the perfect pick for the brides who wish to change the world. While reds and maroons are always in trend for the brides, this shimmery, subtle and super unique bluish grey lehenga is a steam stealer. Climbing steadily on the popularity charts, pastel lehengas are for the brides who are gravitating towards a more feminine, novel and easy breezy color palettes and style. An exclusive first look of what is yet to be launched by Mahotsav. We believe this piece would have caught your fancy at first glance. The play of sequins, appliqued multi-layer flowers, scalloped edges and an unconventional soft peach color. We are coming up with bridal designs for brides who want to break the convention, for brides who are all princessy at hearts, and उन brides के लिए जो बस कुछ अलग करना और कुछ अलग ही दिखना चाहती है. Then Shagnada surely needs a lehenga that's meticulously crafted with details that are beautifully designed. with a minimal blouse with designer placements of the embroidery, scalloped hemline, and a laser cut and zari embroidered floral detailing on the lehenga, dupatta, and blouse. This piece is for every bride who likes traditional but wants to keep it minimal and classy. Any bride who'd adorn this red, minutely crafted wedding lehenga and wondered how it would look, the answer she'd get is perfect. This iconic red lehenga is detailed with floral and leaf motif with an elaborately hand-worked patta on the lehenga. हाथ कारीगरी का बखूबी इस्तेमाल किए हुए लहंगा, दो दुपट्टे का बेहतरीन कॉम्बिनेशन एंड द क्लासिक रेड कलर हर ब्राइड की पहली पसंद होने के काबिल है. Conventional detailing and a little unconventional shade of royal blue in the bridal lehenga makes this piece a strong contender of a typical red bridal attire. ब्लाउज में स्वीटहार्ट नेकलाइन में कटवर्क डिटेलिंग, कटवर्क बॉर्डर से बना दुपट्टा एंड ब्लू एंड पीच के कॉम्बिनेशन में की हुई बारीक एम्ब्रॉयडरी makes this piece a desirable one by the brides who like to keep it to the roots yet define their style. Most brides are completely conventional person when it comes to the wedding and like going by the customs and rituals, believe in traditions and love to highlight culture on their special day. The conventional India-inspired floral motifs lehenga, gently paired with geometrical borders, makes this lehenga a very rooted pick for the brides to be. We'd like to proudly tell you one thing about this piece. This one's most loved by the NRIs all over the world. A perfect mix of elegance, class, beauty and tradition. This floral resham, zari and sequins embroidered lehenga exudes a charm of the tradition-loving soul while keeping the modern heart alive. We'd say it's a good pick for the bride's main day as well as would serve the purpose well for side festivities. design exudes old world charm like no other. What's not to love in this gorgeous piece? बारीक रेशम एंड जरी की कारीगरी, डबल दुपट्टे का एक अनोखा ही सम्मेलन और डिज़ाइन जो विरासती तौर पर संभाली जा सके मेक्स दिस लहंगा अ प्रेशियस पीस. The handcrafted cutwork details on the lehenga with contrast pink inner, a heavily bordered dupatta, the intricate floral embroidery on the lehenga and the blouse, and the overall exquisite design makes this piece an absolute winner. It is such an ideal choice for any bride to be, whether you are having an intimate home wedding now or a traditional one later. Look at that piece. An ideal pick for brides who are a fan of minute karigari. This elaborate yet sophisticated velvet lehenga is a classic pick for a contemporary Indian bride who enjoys the delicacy of designs with traditional aesthetics. Adorned with quintessentially Indian floral motifs, this set is a tribute to traditional artisan. An aesthetically traditional outfit, not just in terms of its appeal, but also in terms of its craftsmanship, the elements, the motifs, and the royalty it emits. A hit pick by the brides from India to the United States, from Malaysia to Bangladesh. ये लहंगे की विस्तृत विवरण हर ब्राइड के ब्राइडल ड्रीम्स को पूरा कर रहा है. Each specification makes the lehenga magnificent and just on point. To say a lot of eyes are hooked on the stunning bridal lehenga would be an understatement. The vibrant pinkish red color, with flowers blooming in Baroque style motifs, the glitz of the amazing number of stones for the bride to dance through the night, and the lightweight girlish appeal of the whole outfit. We bet this one would be on your buying list radar. That shine is mesmerizing, isn't it? Entering in all its glory is a lehenga and a queenly bride, we should say. Didn't you got the feels of Raj Gharana and their brides? Well, I surely did. Look at the mesmerizing details. They are bold yet so meticulously placed and executed. The luster, the very different embroidery motifs, the peach resham threads, and a lot of gold detailing. Every component contributes to making this design so royal. And did you notice that double dupatta we have? And the last but not the least, the best, a signature piece in the collection. We dearly call it the grand one. Look at the amazing golden color, a pure royal divergence from the regular reds and maroons. The artistic appeal is phenomenal. The detailed cutwork took hours to complete, and each moment dedicated to curating this beauty was well spent with much love for the bride. Each piece in the collection comes with a mask and a customizable extra dupatta.